Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use mascara in a right way. The mascara I'm going to use today is from Gleva Cosmetics. Why I love this mascara, it gives you clumps free application, volumize your lashes to max, it's waterproof, smudge proof and stays all day long. First thing you need to keep in mind, never straight pull your mascara like this. It creates air pressure which will make your mascara dry. Always rotate mascara's wand like this to increase the life of your mascara. Second thing, always remove the excess product. It will give you clean finishing on your lashes. Doing just one coat and doing overcoating your lashes, both are bad. Always apply 2 to 3 coats to get beautiful length and volumized lashes, and if you have Gleva 4D mascara, only 2 coats are enough. This mascara contains vitamin B5 collagen which will nourish your lashes as well. Isn't it good? It's like applying mascara in a healthy way. Are you ready to lift your lashes without breaking them? So go and grab this Gleva 4D Silk Fiber Mascara right now. As usual, if you guys have any doubts, comment box is open for you guys.